Hey YouTube, LJ Gamble here with a video on what I built next. Hydrogen dry cell. Just finished it today. I got the last of the gasket material to finish it off. It is all handmade. Came out awesome. Inlet and outlet. There's a positive and negative. Negative, positive. Got the wing nuts on here to put my wires on when I hook it up. Yeah, I'm pretty proud of myself. It is, the Lexan is 5 inches across. Oh, sorry. Lexan is 5 inches across, and then the plates are 4 inches. 4-inch plates, and they're an octagon shape. It's a 20 gauge 316L stainless steel, and then just regular bolts. And then the gaskets I actually cut and everything too. Those are not, can't purchase them like that. I got them in a big sheet. I have the leftover materials here. Here's the inside pieces that are cut out of it. And then also a piece of one extra plate I have here. When I ordered these pieces, I ordered them off of Online Metals, and they come to whatever dimensions you want and however many you want. So I put in 4-inch by 4-inch, and I ordered 8 of them. They sent me 10. They gave me 2 extra free, so I was pretty impressed, and I actually needed them because my original design did not work well. I originally designed it to have a negative and a positive plate, and then 6 neutrals in the middle. And I hooked it up to test it, and it almost did nothing. It was hardly making any hydrogen at all. The voltage was just too low. And that was with a really powerful mix of electrolyte too. And when I just tested it the first time, I just used baking soda. But when I'm going to run it, I'm going to use sodium hydroxide. And that's what I just tested it with today, was the sodium hydroxide. But anyways, the way I changed it to make it better was, instead of 6 neutral plates, since I had the extra 2 plates, I used one of them to put right in the middle. So now it's basically like 2 stacks of 3 neutral plates. So I got a positive, neutral, 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 negative, neutral, 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 positive. So yeah, it's a total of 9 plates now instead of 8. Works way better. There's 3 holes drilled in each plate. Goes all the way through. They're lined up real nice. That was some hard stuff to drill through. Stainless steel is pretty hard. I had to use one of my uncle's really good bits in order to drill through it with a drill press. And then I just used a pneumatic grinder to grind the edges off. That way they clear the bolts, except for the one edge on each positive or negative plate. So, yep. And this is 1/2-inch thick Lexan. I just got it on eBay, and it was also you buy the however big a dimension that it comes in, but then you can also ask them to cut it too, and they cut it perfectly. Just freaking, it was spot on too, exactly 5 inches. Like, it's not even a 1/16 of an inch off. But yeah, that's what I got. I did a small I did a video on a bench test. I'll probably put that right after this. I would have done a better video one of it, but my bottle cracked at the bottom, so I got epoxy. I have the epoxy setting right now, so it'll be ready to go in the car soon. So yeah, just I'm pretty happy with how this came out. Looks pretty sweet. And then my first time too, so I'm pretty proud of myself. So yeah, I'm gonna do the bench test next, and then yep. One other thing I forgot to mention was I actually did a liter per minute test. I had a 1 liter bottle, and it filled that bottle in 1 minute and 20 seconds. So yeah, that's really close to a liter per minute, just under it. I don't know what it exactly it is. I don't know how to do the math on that, but yeah. Just wanted to add that. Okay, check it out. I got a bench. I'm bench testing it right now. It's all hooked up. Got water in there. There's just tape on there. I hooked the battery charger. Watch this. It's gotta cycle through first, and then it'll fill back up, and it'll just freaking go. That's what I'm getting right now. That's pretty cool. That's a lot. I need to measure liters per minute next. But yeah, it's working awesome. I just mixed the electrolyte. It's potassium hydroxide. That's the gallon I mixed it in. It's only like 3 tablespoons, and I get that much. So yeah.
Oh my god! It's so loud!